Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to pin a folder to Taskbar in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your File Explorer. Then select your file. I am selecting this file. Now click the right button of your mouse. Now go to Show More Options. Now click on Send To and click on Desktop Create Shortcut. Now go to your desktop. Here you can see my file. Now again click the right button of your mouse. Go to Properties. In the target option, you can see the file location. You just have to type here explorer.exe and then space. Now you have to click on OK. Now again, you have to click the right button of your mouse. Then go to Show More Options. Here you can see Pin to Taskbar. You just have to click on this. So now you can see here I have pinned my folder to the Taskbar. So this is how you can pin a folder to Taskbar in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.